Coast Guard personnel have their hands full on search and rescue operations in the wake of two separate maritime incidents over the weekend. They are still locating four missing people after dive yacht MY Dreamkeeper sank in the vicinity of Tubbataha Reef in Palawan on Sunday. They are the owner of the yacht, a dive master, and two guest divers. The Coast Guard is investigating what caused the yacht to sink.
Based doon sa information na natanggap ng Coast Guard District Palawan, ang reason ay yung kanas-kanas o yung squall doon sa area na kung nasaan sila ay biglang lumaki yung alon, lumakas yung hangin at yun ang naging sanhi ng paglubog. Yun yung initial na information na natanggap namin from the passengers.
Over 30 people were on board the yacht. The survivors are in good health and will be brought back to Puerto Princesa so they can go home. The Coast Guard says it spotted an oil sheen where the yacht sank on Sunday, but it turned clear later on.
Walang threat ng oil spill pero tayo ay naka-ready. Yung nilumugan ng barko sa Tubbataha, ang layo nun sa reef mismo ay mga 4 nautical miles lang. And hopefully walang kumalat na langis.
Over in Corregidor Island off Bataan Province, 2 people remain missing following the collision of 2 foreign vessels near the island. The Coast Guard ended diving operations on Sunday after it searched the dredger MV Hong Hai 189. However, search and rescue continue for the missing Chinese nationals. There are 3 confirmed deaths, 1 Filipino and 2 Chinese. The dredger will be pulled to shallow waters for further assessment. The Coast Guard says there is no threat of oil spill for now, but it has installed oil spill booms as a precaution. Based on initial reports, tanker MV Petit Sur has 150,000 liters of diesel on board. Investigation is ongoing to determine the cause of collision.
Titignan natin kung nagkaroon ba ng crossing situation o overtaking. Yung dalawang yon ang possible na anggulo dun sa investigation. Kasama na dyan yung maneuvering, yung maneuvers na in-employ ng both parties. Maaring din yung tamang ruta ba yung mga barko.
The tanker will remain in PCG custody pending the probe. The findings are expected to come out in a week. Paige Javier, CNN Philippines.